Welcome back. In this video, you'll be learning how to attach the watch straps of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Now, if you've previously removed the straps, whether it was to clean them or you just wanted to add a touch of personalization by choosing different straps, then this is what you're going to do to reattach them. You're going to first ensure that you've lined them up properly. So you want the top part to be facing down like this with the buckle at the top, and then the other side again also aligned properly. Then from here, you're just going to align the connector of the strap with its port, and then you want to put it at a slight angle so that it enters in properly. As you're putting it in, you want to also ensure that you're pushing so that it connects properly, and you should be able to hear a click to signify that they've been connected. If you don't hear a click, then you'll need to remove it and just try it all again. So go ahead and align, and then put it at an angle and just push in. Then you have had that click showing that it's been connected properly. Do the same thing on the other end. Just align, put at a slight angle and push. And that is how you can attach the watch straps of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.